30 flaps in.
November 40, Zulu, runway 33, full length, line up and wait, traffic, Cessna, 1.5 mile final.
We'll line up and wait, wait till.
Alright. 3 Juliet Alpha, right turn at Foxtrot, taxi to Atlantic via Alpha to Vicksburg. See you, have a great day. Foxtrot, Alpha, Atlantic, Vicksburg, delivery drop.
Yeah, I got 10.
Very good.
Display threshold.
November 48, Zulu, runway 33, clear for takeoff, make left traffic.
I'm turning a little tighter than I want to, but I'm doing it like, we want to watch out about, just do it after we're done. Okay, we got 100 knots on the clock. I'm gonna kind of tighten it up a little tiny bit. I will just get this turn done. I don't like putting flaps in, but we got 90. I'm gonna put in 10. I don't know if we should put in full flaps given the wind and all, but I'll try it. There's 85. Trim it up a little bit. Skidding a little bit. Slipping rather.
Yep.
Okay, there's 70. Just let me know if I'm screwing up anyway, because I like to...
Right at Hotel via Alpha to take care of the...
There we go. Nice and smooth. Alright, work with lights, so we're way above it. We're going to fly the glide slope. I'm working on it. I'm going to do it nice and gentle. I want to try to maintain the 65 knots. And we got all of our flaps in. Real slow. There we go. There's our glide slope. Good old Buffy. Right above you now. A little bumpy out here today. Let's try to avoid the, let's not land on the displaced threshold. Otherwise we might make a mad at us. Whoa, we're
Subway 33, full length, line up and wait. 157.
Okay, haven't done that. I didn't do it. That wasn't my best landing. I apologize.
Oh, no, you're fine.
All right, let me pull up a little bit.
So that's about lower than 2,500.
Yeah, I'll try. No guarantees.
No problem.
I don't want to hit the brakes that hard, but
13 Echo X-ray, decent approved.
I'm liking that. That was fun.
Not too bad, right?
Yeah, a little windy.
A little windy, right?
Yeah,
And then we'll kind of get past this little short line.
yeah,
Yeah, keep going.
yeah.
There you go.
We're here, 1 micrometer.
Thank you very much. 1 micrometer, climb maintain.
All right, we're turned off on the,
33 clear for takeoff.
that, and then we're going to call up ground.
3, clear for takeoff, 1 micrometer.
Addison Grounds, Skyhawk 9448 Zulu, ready to taxi back to American Flyers on Tango.
Red, extra.
Alpha 4 Zulu, turn taxi Tango, be Alpha.
So, Tango V Alpha.
Tango VL, 944 Zulu.
There you go.
Year and a half.
Still got it.
Yeah. We have to do this.
It's gonna be this first thing.
Yeah.
We still got it.
Thanks.
That was pretty good for the windy day.
Yeah. Well, I got to get more wind time in. I'm just like, I have like flying by myself. I don't have a problem having a passenger with me.
I make you nervous?
Well, I fear that if I screw up really bad, that's the life that I
No,
that I have.
don't worry. I won't let you kill me.
I used to ride motorcycles a lot, and
Yeah.
I've done some pretty stupid things on motorcycles.
That's okay. I
I've
won't.
since grown up.
It takes a lot to scare me.
All right.
You can't scare me, I promise.
I went by the police station. I was applying for a job at the police station.
Yep.
Went by doing a wheelie. About 90 miles an hour one time. I've done fucked up shit on motorcycles.
That doesn't sound too good.
No, you don't ever want to do that because they get mad at you for that.
Yeah.
I was applying for a job there, and he was like, you just applied for a job here, and yeah, I said, yeah, I'm just trying to impress you guys.
Yep.
I'm gonna lead it fast. I'm gonna slow down some tiny bit. Okay, that's what I needed.
Feel better now?
Yeah, I do.